The rollover stand by LiftWise safely inverts parts in a manufacturing environment. Using appropriate lifting equipment, place the part on the lower arm and swing the top arm into position. The controls mounted on the stand power all hydraulic functions. First, clamp the part in the horizontal direction. The wear pad material on the clamping surfaces prevents any marring to the part and allows sliding into the centered position. Now clamp the part vertically. The rollover stand will not allow you to flip the part until the clamping pressure in both directions is sufficient to hold the part safely in place. The part is inverted 180 degrees, and the hydraulic counterbalance valves maintain clamping force during rotation. Each rollover stand is designed and manufactured to meet the exact specifications of your application. LiftWise offers an increasing variety of rollover devices, including a rollover stand with a capacity of 1,000 pounds for lighter duty applications. This unit includes all the same features and functionality as the 2,000 pound version and can handle parts ranging from 12 to 48 inches in diameter and from 2 to 15 inches in height. Engine rollover stand, which can safely support and flip large engines for the assembly process, with an output torque rating of 52,700 inch-pounds. The weldment rollover stand, designed to grip and flip tacked weldments, weighing up to 4,750 pounds, both for manual and automated welding processes, providing a safe alternative to overhead cranes and slings. An electric pneumatic rollover stand designed to function with standard pneumatic hookups, providing an efficient and safe flipping method for lighter duty applications. This unit, along with all LiftWise rollover products, can be customized to fit the customer's specific requirements. LiftWise, customized material handling solutions.